How to add Apple Cash to family sharing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Apple Cash to family sharing. So first, ensure that your Apple Cash account is set up using the same Apple ID that you use for family sharing. On the Family Organizer's iPhone, open Settings, then tap on your name and then go to Family Sharing. Choose the child or teen you want to set up Apple Cash for. Then tap on Apple Cash for that family member and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Don't forget that you may need to verify your identity. After enabling Apple Cash, go into the family's member Apple Cash settings to configure a weekly or monthly allowance. To manage everything, open the wallet app, then tap on the Apple Cash card and then go to the Apple Cash family setup payments and allowances for all family members. And that's it. You're all set up to use Apple Cash with family sharing. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.